welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today we're cooking outdoors. Today we're going to be using this Bighorn 15-inch oven. It's gas fueled and it gets up to over 1,000 degrees, but all we want is 950. Yeah. We're going to be making 3 incredible pizzas today from Naples. First is going to be a pizza marinara. Then we're gonna make a pizza with steak in a white sauce. And then we're also gonna make a pizza Diavola, which is a little spicy. All right, let's get cooking. All right, first we're gonna start off with pizza marinara.
Yep.
We made this Neapolitan dough earlier. It's definitely different than the New York style dough. You can get this recipe in the description below. This pizza was the only other pizza recognized by the Veraci Napolitana Association. The other one was, of course, the Margherita. I'm just going to make about a 12-inch to 14-inch pizza. We have some beautiful hand-crushed San Marzano tomato. All I did was add some salt. Oh, look at that. That is so beautiful. Nice and bright.
I used to love the tomato pizza at Rosalie's. I know I said that before, but that tomato pizza was crazy.
Beautiful. I'm just going to hit it with a little dried oregano. With some sliced fresh garlic here.
Man.
Thinly sliced.
Beautiful.
Is that nice?
What'd you do, slice them with a razor blade?
No, just about. The knives are pretty sharp. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Finally, got to tear off some of these fresh basil leaves. It's good to tear the leaves to get more flavor out of them. All right, let's pop this in the oven. What I really like about this oven is it's got a 14.7-inch platform where you can actually make up to a 14-inch pizza.
Yeah, that's
Isn't that beautiful? And it's got dual heat on each side. It makes the heat evenly distributed across the pizza stone. And it completely eliminates the need to manually rotate the pizza. All right, let's check it out. It's been a minute. Whoa. Look at that beautiful pizza.
That was quick.
Napolitana. Perfect. Okay, hold on. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, yeah, beautiful pizza. They're cooked perfect.
Oh,
It's
man.
got the leopard spots on it, just like your
What a
traditional.
beautiful pizza.
And what I really liked about it was you didn't have to rotate the pizza and have to babysit it. It just
And it cooked in like
look at it, 60
minute.
seconds. Yeah, wonderful. Let's give it a taste. Oh my God,
yum yum.
this is so fresh. Simple ingredients. Now I can see why it's one of the pizza favorites out in Naples.
Yeah, that's one of mine.
All right, now we're gonna make our pizza with cream sauce with steak and mushrooms.
Beautiful.
On our crust. I'm gonna make this one a little bigger. The other one I did, it was a 12-inch. I'm gonna make this one a 14-inch and see how it cooks. Look at all the beautiful bubbles.
That tomato pizza was great.
Wasn't it?
Oh my God.
I enjoyed
the
it.
fresh garlic on there. Can't beat it.
All right. All right, now we have our cream sauce. I made this earlier with just a pint of cream and Parmesan cheese. I added just a pinch of salt and some black pepper, and that's it. You actually want to cook down the cream as much as possible before you add the cheese. This way you don't have a runny pizza. We're going to put our fresh mozzarella.
Looks good.
And when you make a Neapolitan pizza, you want to slice it as thin as possible. Because I don't know if you ever experienced, sometimes if you cut the mozzarella too thick, after pizza cooks, typically will not melt all the way, and then you have this chunk of mozzarella, pulling away from. All right, now we're gonna add our steak strips here.
Oh man.
I cooked this steak in the oven here. It cooks perfect. It could cook chicken, roast vegetable. I mean, I cooked this steak in about 4 minutes. One more right there. Yeah, and then I sauteed these mushrooms beforehand. You want to saute them. It releases a lot of the moisture from the mushrooms. Perfect.
Beautiful.
All right, in the oven.
We'll be eating that in 30 seconds. Something's
60
crazy.
seconds.
Cook fast, man.
All right, we'll be back.
Watch it.
All right, let's check it out. Whoa. 60 seconds. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh my
Come on,
God.
let's eat, man.
Oh my
Wow.
God. Look at that pizza. Huh?
Beautiful pizza, man. The
60
cheese melted perfect in there. That looks delicious.
Man.
Wow.
Was good? All right. All right, now we're gonna make our pizza Diavola. A little spicy here.
Oh, looks good. Nice and clean, beautiful.
All right.
You got flour on your nose.
All right. Here's our tomato. Pinch of oregano. Some olive oil. This is basically a margarita pizza with the sopressata. The basil. Now a pinch of red pepper. Crushed red pepper. Give it a little extra spice there. Now put out sopressata. For those of you that don't know what sopressata is, it's just a type of salami. It's Italian salami. Perfecto. Finally, our fresh mozzarella. All right. Beautiful. All right. All right. Look at that. Neapolitan pizza right here.
Beautiful.
Absolutely. Oh, look at that pizza on the bottom. Cooked perfect.
Looks good. Yum, yum.
Man, this pizza is like American pepperoni on steroids.
Well, we hope you enjoyed these incredible Neapolitan-style pizza recipes and the oven. I encourage you to check it out. It's sleek stainless steel. It's very easy to transport. Take it on your camping trip, cook it in your backyard. And if you want to catch a limited time offer, click on the link below and you'll get a fantastic savings on this oven. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers and we'll see you guys next time. Ciao.